Welcome to Edits in Minutes. Today, I'll show you how to create a cool glitch transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's dive in. First, import your clips and place them on the timeline. Ensure they are adjacent to each other. Then, create a new adjustment layer. Go to the Project panel, click New Item, select Adjustment Layer, and click OK. Drag the adjustment layer onto the timeline, placing it above the cut between your two clips. Next, go to the Effects panel and search for VR Digital Glitch. Drag it onto the adjustment layer. Select the layer and go to Effect Controls. Adjust the distortion and noise parameters to your liking. Add keyframes to animate the glitch effect. Set a keyframe for master amplitude at 0% at the beginning, increase it to 100% at the cut, and back to 0% at the end. Keyframes should be apart 5 to 10 frames. Play the timeline to preview your glitch transition. Tweak the keyframes or effects if needed. And that's it. A quick glitch transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing.